Yeah, I'm back again trying to repair lead toys. Just going to show you how I'm going to put a little bit of a gun on this fella here, and just some of my new methods using copper wire and that, and just fix her up. So here we go. Let's get to it. Yep, so I'm looking for the right nail to pop in here. It's all in the way you want it to look. Yeah, the heavy one's better looking, so that's what I'm going to use. Yeah, so I got to get the nail to fit into the little hole here, right? So it's not fitting totally, it's too tight. So I put it in the drill and just file it down a little. That way it'll hold in there when I'm soldering. That's quite good, I'd say. So there's the pin for the gun. Just put it in the end of the gun here and tap it in lightly maybe. I usually put the solder on beforehand, but in this case I don't think I will. Just tap it in. That's pretty good. You gotta get a little straighter than that. Right, there we go. It's ready for soldering. There you go. They're both scratched, so they're ready for soldering. I'll get my weller gun and give it a touch. Yeah, so there's back in center there. So the fan is on. A little bit of flux all around here. Oh, that's right. We'll tap that again now in a minute. I like the look of that. Now I got to get the tip of my Veller solar gun, electric. It is flowing first, right? Got to be very hot. There we go, a bit of solder here, and here comes the magic. There you have it. The gun again, and just let this cool for a couple of minutes. And file down the hand here again, and she's all done. How quick was that? So all I'm doing now is bringing his hand in a little smaller. It's a bit large right now. Be about there somewhere, right? See, you can do this with a Dremel as well. I like my filing. I have a fan running because it's a little hot in here. I'm in France, and also when I was soldering, you want the flux to blow away from your face, so you don't inhale it. So there we go, it's getting there. I'll give it a little bit more to fine tune it. Another 20 minutes maybe. There's no filler needed or anything on this. You can also feel when your file hits the nail, so it helps you with the soldering. I mean the filing, I'm sorry, with the filing, because you can feel when the solder's gone down to the nail again. I might leave it a little thicker on the back. Okay. That's pretty close. It's in the detail. One guy told me in one of my videos when I was doing spoke bikes, I didn't have patience and all sorts of things because I used just basic tools. Most likely it was a bike mechanic that was pissed off at me. Showing people how to change their tires with spoons, you know. How about that one? Boy, that really upset the mechanics. It's getting really close. Let's turn it to you, the viewer. See how nice that is? So as you can see, it's coming on nicely. Just giving it the fine tuning it needs in shape. You know, so that it looks authentic. I want the gun to look perfectly round again, right up to his hand. And you'll never know I put a piece in here. I'll turn it towards you. There's the stem. There's the head. And that, there we go. See how that looks? I mean, you never know that was put in. Huh? Just a small clean up with a small file here. You can't really, there we go. Round off that hand a little bit more. I don't think hands have a straight edge. And my feeling is it's done. Needs a little bit off that gun. Needs to be straight. Without being sharp, of course. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So there you go. And that's how I'm doing these. If I had a lighter copper wire, I would have put it in instead of this because the copper takes easier on some of the lead toys, but it did work, so quite happy. There you go. So here it is, the finished product. The gun brought in here. The little hand brought back around. I might just file a little curve there a little bit more, but I'm pretty happy with that. And you know, we have a new barrel of a gun on, so it looks like it never was anything like ever damaged. So there's another one of these old toys brought back to life. Nothing like restoring these old toys. Cheers.